So I'm going to boil some water. Les, hi! I'm going to make rice. I'm going to cook rice using the microwave. So this is going to be the first time that no, this is not my first time. This is the first time that I'm video taping it or filming it while doing, because I wanted to share this to you guys, most especially my friends from the call center, sa mga taga ICOR, UHG, Laksita, sa mga taga Humana, Conduent na, ganun, Xerox, sila, ang mga taga HGS, ano pa ba yung mga call center na pinag-work ko, ganun. I will teach you how to make, to cook rice, and a microwave lang, ganun. So, maghanap kayo ng microwavable na ganito. And then, nag-boil na ako ng water. So, what I'm going to do now is 1 cup lang ng rice ang gagawin ko. So, first, I'm going to measure 1 cup of rice. Ganun. Ay, okay lang yan. Yan, 1 cup ng rice. Tapos, lilinisin natin siya just like how we linis it. Ganun. Linis. Yan. The kind of rice that we are using is basmati rice with a mix of long grain rice. Ganon. Tapos, we rinse it. Nagluluto ako ng munggo. I'm cooking munggo right now. So this is really best for munggo. That's why magra-rice kami. Rice terraces. And using microwave. Ganon. Yan na siya. And then, here's my rice. Tapos, gagawin lang natin is gagawin ko lang, kukunin ko na yung boiled kong water. So, 1 cup yun, diba? So, ito, 1 cup lang. 1 cup na boiling water. Tapos, dagdagan mo lang siya ng konti, like half. Ganun. Tapos, I'm gonna takip this with a cling wrap. Ganito. Ganun. Tapos, ilalagay ko siya sa oven for 10 minutes. So, kahit ano, basta 10 minutes mo siyang ikekeme. Yan. Naka-wrap na siya. Wrap mo siya ng i-wrap. Make sure na walang, kasi isa-steam siya using the, hahaluin pa pala yan. O, kunwari hinalo ko na. Charing. Haluin mo siya. Ganun. Tapos ilalagay mo siya sa, hinalo ko na to. Tapos, ilalagay na siya sa microwave. Ganun. This is our microwave oven. And ilalagay mo siya sa microwave. Yan. There. Set it for 10 minutes. And it's start. Ganun. Since it's Friday, it's munggo day. There. Chicken na munggo ang ginawa ko. Ganun. Munggo. Friday munggo. Yan! Thank you so much, Lord, for the food that we're going to eat today. And then I'm cooking my rice. So, ito na yan, ang rice ko. Kinuha ko na yung cling film kasi masyado akong na-excite para sa aming rice. Ayan na siya, guys. This is the rice terraces. Sana may natutunan kayo. Meh.